Identity theft is frustrating. With major data breaches exposing more and more personal and private data, you may have already dealt with email and social media hacks, stolen credit cards, and other violations. Theft of your personal data is shocking and can be debilitating. Get help monitoring your most important data. For about the cost of a movie ticket, ID Shield protects your identity from every angle by watching your credit reports and scanning the dark web and alerting you of any changes or potential misuse of your personal data. Our monitoring services provide full-service support, alerting you if any discrepancies in your personal data are found, notifying you if your info is used in new applications, warning you of any privacy concerns with your social media accounts, and informing you if a sex offender moves into your neighborhood. If your identity is stolen, our investigators are dedicated to restoring it to its pre-theft status by working with you one-on-one, doing whatever it takes for as long as it takes to restore your identity with our unlimited service guarantee, and protecting you and your privacy with coverage of up to $1 million on any cost you may incur as a result of identity theft. We provide peace of mind so you can begin thriving. Take control of your privacy with ID Shield. Sign up today.